Cigarettes undergo a fascinating journey from the fields where tobacco is grown to the factories where they are processed and manufactured before arriving in stores. This intricate process involves multiple steps, from cultivation and curing to blending, rolling, and packaging. Understanding each stage provides insight into how cigarettes are made and the complexity behind their production. The journey begins in vast fields where tobacco plants are carefully cultivated. These plants are grown in many parts of the world, including the United States, China, Brazil, and India. Tobacco farming starts with planting tiny seeds, which can be directly sown into the soil or germinated in nurseries before being transplanted. Since tobacco plants are delicate in their early stages, farmers nurture them under controlled conditions until they are strong enough to grow in open fields. Within 2 to 3 months, these plants reach maturity, often growing up to 4 feet in height, depending on the variety. When the leaves reach the right stage of ripeness, harvesting begins. This process is often done by hand, ensuring that each leaf is picked at the optimal time for flavor and quality. Since different parts of the plant ripen at different rates, workers return multiple times to collect leaves at their peak. After harvesting, the tobacco leaves are not immediately ready for use. They must undergo a curing process that enhances their flavor, aroma, and overall quality. This process also reduces the harshness of the raw tobacco, making it smoother and more pleasant to smoke. During the curing process, farmers closely monitor temperature, humidity, and drying time. Too much moisture can cause mold, while insufficient drying can make the leaves brittle and unusable. By the end of this stage, the leaves transform from green to deep brown, significantly altering their texture and chemical composition. Once cured, the tobacco leaves move to processing plants, where they undergo further refinement. The first step is stripping, where the stems are removed. Each leaf is then meticulously inspected and sorted based on color, size, and quality. Higher quality leaves are reserved for premium blends, while others may be used for various tobacco products. The leaves are then shredded into thin strips known as cut rag. This stage plays a crucial role in determining how the tobacco will burn and taste. Different products require different cut sizes, with finer cuts used for faster burning cigarettes and coarser cuts for slower burns. To achieve a specific flavor profile, tobacco from different regions is blended. A mix of Virginia, Burley, and Oriental tobacco creates a balance of sweetness, richness, and complexity. Manufacturers may also add moisture to prevent the tobacco from drying out. With the tobacco processed and blended, it is now ready for rolling into cigarettes. This step involves precision machinery and stringent quality control to ensure uniformity in every cigarette. The assembly process begins with 2 key materials, paper and filters. The specially designed cigarette paper ensures a slow and controlled burn, while the filters help smooth the smoke and reduce harmful particles. The rolling machine distributes the shredded tobacco evenly onto the paper, forming a continuous cigarette tube. A thin adhesive secures the roll, and the tube is then cut into individual cigarettes of the desired length. Filters are attached using adhesive bands. These filters are often made from cellulose acetate and serve to reduce the harshness of the smoke. Once attached, the cigarettes go through automated and manual quality control checks to ensure they meet size, shape, and density requirements. Any cigarette that fails the test is removed from the production line. Some brands also apply distinctive logos, dots, or markings on the cigarette paper, reinforcing brand identity. This step ensures that each cigarette maintains a uniform appearance and adheres to branding guidelines. Once rolled, the cigarettes are ready for packaging. They are grouped into packs, usually containing 20 cigarettes, and sealed with foil to maintain freshness. The packs are then placed into cartons, wrapped, and prepared for shipment to distributors and retailers. During the packaging process, manufacturers include required health warnings and government-mandated labels highlighting the dangers of smoking. These warnings, varying by country, emphasize the serious health risks associated with cigarette consumption. After packaging, the finished products are shipped worldwide, arriving in stores where they are sold to consumers. This marks the end of the long journey from tobacco fields to cigarette packs. The process of making cigarettes is a highly detailed and controlled operation involving multiple stages of cultivation, curing, processing, blending, rolling, and packaging. Every step influences the final product's flavor, quality, and overall smoking experience. However, while the manufacturing process is impressive, it is essential to acknowledge the well-documented health risks associated with smoking. Understanding how cigarettes are made sheds light on the intricate journey behind this widely consumed product.